GNA came out to a 4th grade class in Schoharie School. When Paul and I started to think about putting this together, one of the parents had mentioned it wouldn't be a bad idea to have these kids perform a song that Richie helped them compose. I'm sure all of you have probably seen it on YouTube by now. I got a hold of Jen Holland. She stepped up to the plate and said she would organize it because my plate was overflowing and so was Paul's. Richie Phillips was graciously offered to come out and accompany the group of students, and we're going to let them do what they do. They drew a hell of a crowd today, I'll tell you that.
I just want to say one thing. I want to make no mistake here. It's the kids from this particular class, from Mrs. Yeager's class, that actually wrote all of the lyrics to this, and really, they wrote the song within 1 hour. So this is unbelievable, and I want to give them credit where it's due. We have other kids here that graciously came here to sing, but I want to give Mrs. Yeager's class the credit. So let's give them a round of applause for this.